Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated January 9, 2023. Indian equity markets rose today. Nifty opened gap up around 17,952 and managed to make a day high of 18,141. After that we can see some profit booking. At the time of close, Nifty managed to close around 18,100, which is a good sign. Similarly, Sensex climbed up almost 847 points to give a closing of 60,747. Talking about sectors, almost all sectors ended in green, with Nifty IT emerging as top performing sector with gains of 2.83%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are M&M, SBI Life, and Indusen Bank. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 3.57%, 3.24%, and 3.05% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Titan, Bajaj Finserv, and Grasim. They fell within the range of 0.69% to 1.9% respectively. For the development in the corporate segment, we have BHARTI. AIRTEL share price edged higher in the morning session on January 9 after CLSA initiated buy call on the stock. The global research firm has initiated buy call on the telecom stock and has raised target to 1,040 rupees per share, an upside of 30% from current market price. JSW Steel on Monday said its combined crude steel production rose 17% to 6.24 million tons during October-December period of 2022 to 23. JSW Steel reported its group combined crude steel production at 6.24 million tons for quarter 3 financial year 2023, registering a growth of 17% year-on-year, including the production at jointly controlled entities. Shares of KALYAN Jewelers surged 6% to 127.60 rupees on Monday after the company said it recorded consolidated revenue growth of approximately 13% in December quarter 3 financial year 2023 as compared to the same period of previous financial year. The company's year-to-date consolidated revenue for the first 9 months of the financial year 2022-23 grew 35% as compared to the same period in the previous financial year, KALYAN Jewelers said in quarter 3 business update. India operations witnessed revenue growth of around 12% YOY for quarter 3 financial year 2023 despite a strong base, with quarter 3 of the previous financial year being the first normalized quarter post the COVID-related market dislocation. High-Tech Pipes on Monday said it has signed an agreement with the UP government to set up a steel manufacturing facility in the state at an investment of 510 rupees crore. The Memorandum of Understanding has been signed under the Invest Up program of the Uttar Pradesh government. The favorable business environment and the special incentive packages offered by the UP government will additionally help the company to strengthen its position in the steel tubes and pipes and flat steel processing industry. In its business update, the company highlighted that the pressure was further accentuated by the late onset of winter in North India, but early signs of moderate recovery were visible towards the latter part of the quarter, coupled with some cool-off in inflation. Shares of Vodafone Idea hit a 52-week low of 7.35 rupees, falling 6% on the BSE in Monday's intraday trade, amid heavy volumes in an otherwise firm market. The stock of the telecom services provider was trading at its lowest level since September 2021. It has fallen below its previous low of 7.61 rupees, touched on December 23, 2022. According to a media report, the Department of Telecommunications is now looking at the financials and the operations of Vodafone Idea to ascertain its health. The government will study the telco's strength with the customers and its performance. Shares of Titan Company dropped 3% to 2,470.70 rupees in Monday's intraday trade, in an otherwise firm market, after the company's jewelry division, excluding bullion sales, reported around 11% year-on-year growth in the December quarter. Healthy new buyer growths in the festive period, higher value purchases in the studded category, and unique new collections for the season helped the division to achieve growth during the quarter. GK Wires in daily timeframe traded around 84.6 points with a change of 14.48% and with a net volume of around 428.627 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 75.65, which is a good indication for the stock. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 47.43, which is above the RSI benchmark of 50, indicating it's in overbought region. Sterling Tools in daily timeframe traded around 292.4 points with a change of 14.04% and with a net volume of around 1.266 million shares. The share price is trading higher than its moving average 266.25, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 43.79. Accuracy Shipping Limited in daily timeframe traded around 179.6 points with a change of 11.97% and with a net volume of around 270.205 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 168, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 35.68, which indicates the share price is still in oversold region. For stocks to watch, we have Havells, which could outperform in the near term because of the rising volume for the holding period of 7 to 10 days. The buying level would be at 1,192 points, stop loss at 1144 points with a target price of 1,240 rupees. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.